Hey everyone, welcome to Meyer's Goat Shack, where we will be making shampoo bars via the hot process method. We'll start by adding all of our hard fats and oils and melting them down. And at about the same time, we'll start preparing our lye water, which is mixing our measured lye and water together. And when you're doing this, you need to make sure you're wearing proper PPE. And what you'll need to wear is eye cover, gloves, and a mask, and also be sure to be in an open space because lye is caustic. Once our solid fats and oils melt, we'll add our softer oils and fats, mix them together, and heat them in the crock pot until they get to approximately 132 degrees Fahrenheit. We continually check the liquefied oils so that the temperature doesn't go over 132 degrees. And once we feel that it's ready and close enough to that temperature, we go ahead and give it a nice stir with our stick blender. It's time to make the magic. The lye water is poured into the oils and mixed until it's brought to trace. Trace is when the batter thickens and leaves a ripple effect on top. The oils and lye water has now emulsified. Please be sure to still wear a proper PPE at this time. You need to be wearing eyewear, masks, and gloves. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to get to trace in certain recipes than in others. As you can tell in this one, it's taken a little bit longer to get to trace. At this point, it's time to cook the soap. We're going to put the cover on for 15 minutes and then uncover, stir it, and cover it again. Going to continue to do this process. Every 15 minutes, give it a good stir. Another 15 minutes, and when the batter looks like Vaseline, where it's glossy all over, then you're done. It's time to cool. At this point, I want my soap to cool down to about 180 degrees or a little bit less. It all depends on the recipe you're making and what essential oils that you're putting in, because there's a flash point that's different for each essential oil. And today, ours is going to be okay at 180 degrees. So I'm going to keep checking maybe every 5 to 7 minutes, and each time I check the temperature, I'm going to go ahead and give it a good stir. Here I'm adding distilled water to our goat milk powder. We like to add it in liquid form at the end of our soap making, rather than at the beginning. This lavender scent is just amazing. Need to make sure that all the ingredients are stirred thoroughly in the soap so that there's no chunks of any one ingredient in the bars when we cut our soap. We pour each batch of our soaps into 2.5 pound loaf molds. That gives us about 20 bars of soap with each batch of soap that we make. If you liked our video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Please be on the lookout for more to come.